Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up drop shipment in Zoho Inventory. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to send products directly from your vendor to your customer without handling the inventory yourself, saving you time and streamlining your fulfillment process. To get started, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once you're on the page, log into your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account that has the necessary permissions to create sales orders and purchase orders. After logging in, look at the left sidebar and click on Sales Orders. This will open the Sales Orders module where you can manage all your customer orders. From here, click the plus new button located at the top of the page. This action will allow you to create a new sales order that will later convert into a dropship order. Now you'll need to fill in the order details. Start by selecting the customer from your existing customer list, then add the items that the customer has ordered. Make sure all the quantities and pricing are correct before moving forward. Once everything looks good, click Save and Send to create the sales order. This will generate the order in your system and prepare it for the next steps. With your sales order created, you'll be taken to the sales order detail page. Here, locate and click on the More button. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Dropship. This is the key step that transforms a regular sales order into a dropship order. A pop window will appear asking you to choose how you want to handle the dropship. You'll see options to either partially or completely dropship the sales order. If you're sending all items directly from the vendor, choose completely. If only some items will be dropshipped while others ship from your warehouse, select partially. After making your selection, Zoho will automatically open a new purchase order page. The system is smart enough to fetch the item details and delivery address directly from your sales order, saving you from manually entering this information again. This ensures accuracy and speeds up the process significantly. Now comes an important step. You need to select or add a vendor from whom the item will be dropshipped. Click on the vendor field and either choose an existing vendor from your list or add a new one if needed. This vendor will receive the purchase order and ship directly to your customer. Finally, click Save to create the dropship purchase order. And that's it. You've successfully set up a drop shipment in Zoho Inventory. Your vendor will now handle the fulfillment while you maintain control over the customer relationship and order management. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.